Have you ever felt this way? When everything seems to fall apart, your dreams, your relationships, your hopes, and your heart whispers, "I've lost. My life is ruined." This is the story of Raju, an ordinary man, just like you and me. Once, he worked at a small shop. But one day, the shop shut down. At home, money problems. With friends, constant fights. And inside his heart, only one thought: "I've lost. My life is over." Every night, he would ask himself, "Why am I failing? Is my fate cursed?" One day, while sitting by the river, lost in his pain, an old man came and asked him, "Son, why do you look so sad?" "Baba, nothing is right in my life. I have no work, no money. People think I'm useless. I've given up." The old man smiled gently and said, "Your defeat is not in life. It's in your mind." Raju was surprised. Then the old man told him a story. Once, a man went to Gautam Buddha and said, "Master, my life is full of sorrow. I live in fear and anger. What should I do?" Buddha replied, "Your pain is not because of your life, but because of the chains in your mind. You're holding on tightly to your anger, your fear, and your failures. Just like a monkey climbs a tree, drinks liquor, and loses all control. Your mind is fooling you the same way. Let it go. Calm your mind, and you'll see, new light will enter your life." Raju asked, "But Baba, how do I do this?" The old man replied, Buddha said, "Every day, learn one small thing. Notice your anger, but don't drown in it. Each morning, do one small action that brings you joy. And always remember, life is a journey, not a game of winning or losing." Raju took this lesson to heart. He started letting go of his anger. Every morning, he practiced breathing calmly. And slowly, he opened a small shop of his own. People noticed his hard work. A soft glow appeared on his face. Now, Raju no longer thought of defeat. He thought of victory. Today, Raju understands, defeat doesn't come when we lose money or work. Defeat comes when we let our mind loose. The small lesson of Gautam Buddha, understand your mind. Calm your mind, changed Raju's life. And it can change yours too. So from today, take one small step. Let go of your fears. Find a little happiness. Do one small thing that moves you forward. Your life will change. Believe it.